How to do bicycle crunches. Top exercises for ABS. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Bicycle crunches are a fantastic exercise for sculpting your ABS and building core strength. They target your upper ABS, lower ABS, and obliques, making them one of the most effective exercises for a toned midsection. Here's how to do bicycle crunches correctly to maximize your results. Step-by-step guide to bicycle crunches. Starting position: on your back on a mat. Place your hands behind your head, but avoid pulling on your neck. Lift your shoulders off the mat and bring your knees up to a 90-degree angle. The movement: simultaneously extend your right leg out straight, while bringing your left knee towards your chest. As you do this, twist your torso to bring your right elbow towards your left knee. Switch sides by extending your left leg and bringing your right knee towards your chest, while twisting your torso to bring your left elbow to your right knee. Continue alternating sides in a pedaling motion. Tips for proper form: keep your lower back pressed into the mat throughout the exercise to engage your core fully. Avoid rushing through the movements. Perform them in a controlled manner to maximize muscle engagement. Breathe steadily, exhaling as you twist and inhale as you switch sides. Benefits of bicycle crunches: comprehensive of workout. Bicycle crunches engage multiple muscle groups, including the rectus abdominis and obliques. Core strength: regularly performing bicycle crunches can improve overall core stability and strength. Calorie burn: this dynamic exercise helps burn calories, aiding in fat loss and revealing those hard-earned ABS. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results. Incorporate bicycle crunches into your regular workout routine, aiming for 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. Gradually increase the intensity and volume as your strength improves. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one.